Hey guys, how's it going? How to auto kick someone on Habbo. So basically make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Next, if you want to kick someone on Habbo, you need to trigger your wired you need to trigger the wired order. User says keyword and then add in a keyword, and make sure that your keyword is specific, potentially something that only trolls or advertisers would say. Using a common word might result in random players being kicked. So place your wired effect, kick user on the top of the keyword wired. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.